Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you join our growing community of crypto enthusiasts. And today, we have an exhilarating topic to delve into. We're going to discuss Bitcoin's recent surge and its implications for the broader cryptocurrency market. So, make sure you grab a snack, settle in, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Now, before we dive deep, I want to encourage you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. By subscribing, you'll be joining our community and ensuring you never miss out on our latest insights and updates about the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have in store. So let's jump into it. Bitcoin has recently shattered its previous all-time highs, and for the first time in history, it has printed the largest green candle since its inception. This remarkable event coincided with Donald Trump's victory in the 2024 U.S. presidential election. Since the beginning of November, Bitcoin and many altcoins have been on a massive rally. In our last video, we highlighted a particular play that was sitting at under a $7 million market cap. Well, guess what? Since then, that pick has skyrocketed over to a market cap of $38 million. That's right. We've hit a 10x gain right here on this channel. One of our fellow Investopia, that's what we like to call our community members, shared that they invested $100 into this pick and turned it into over $1,700. What an incredible story of success. Now, let's take a moment to reflect. I've been in the crypto space since 2020, and I want to be transparent with you. What we are experiencing now is not going to last forever. We're currently in the second part of the bull run, and if we're talking sports, we just wrapped up halftime and are heading into the final quarter of the game. It's crucial that we maximize our time and focus during this period. At this moment, Bitcoin is recognized as the seventh largest asset class in the world, with the global cryptocurrency market cap hovering near its all-time high at over $315 trillion. So what can we expect next? History shows us that money will flow from Bitcoin to high market cap altcoins, and this is where the opportunity lies. Before we move forward, I want to emphasize that this cycle is unlike any other we've seen in the past. The strategies that helped me make seven figures in early 2024 won't necessarily apply this time around. Here's how today's video is structured. First, we'll explore why Bitcoin has experienced such a dramatic increase. Understanding the fundamentals behind Bitcoin's price surge is essential for capitalizing on the market's movements and identifying those 10x to 100x opportunities. Next, I'll explain how to navigate this market as we enter what I term the price accumulation phase, leading up to one of the wildest altcoin seasons we've ever experienced. I'll share insights on why I believe this bull market is still ongoing, and then I'll give you actionable advice on how to make money during this bull market. Most importantly, we'll discuss the next major altcoin gems and crypto narratives that you can uncover before they explode in popularity. I truly believe this segment will be invaluable, as it's all about identifying projects before they gain traction on platforms like crypto Twitter. After that, I'll highlight some of my favorite projects that I believe have the highest potential over the upcoming months. As we approach the end of the video, I'll share my personal plans on selling these assets. Remember, it's crucial to know when to sell, as all the gains in the world won't matter if you don't execute a solid exit strategy. Finally, I'll impart some words of wisdom that I deem essential for achieving success in these markets. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. So, why has Bitcoin surged so dramatically? Let's break it down into four key reasons. First and foremost, the re-election of President Trump has positively influenced Bitcoin's price. Trump has a pro-crypto stance and has promised to implement significant regulatory changes that favor the crypto sector. Not only that, he has replaced key figures, such as Gary Gensler from the SEC, with individuals who are more supportive of cryptocurrency. Secondly, major corporations have ramped up their Bitcoin holdings. For instance, MicroStrategy has been aggressively acquiring Bitcoin, amassing over 51,000 Bitcoins valued at approximately $4.6 billion. The third factor is the impact of the Bitcoin ETF, which was approved and launched about a year ago. This move has opened the doors for a wider range of investors, including those looking to invest through their 401k or Roth IRA. This influx of funds is incredibly advantageous for the crypto market, as these investors tend to buy and hold for the long haul. Last but not least, we cannot overlook the significance of the Bitcoin halving event that occurred less than a year ago. This event reduced the rewards for mining blocks, effectively decreasing supply. When you combine a reduction in supply with an increase in demand, you have the perfect recipe for price appreciation. The last time Bitcoin broke its previous all-time high was in December 2020, leading to a bull run that lasted approximately a year. If history repeats itself, we might have around 12 months of this bull run ahead of us, since the rally began in November. Interestingly, even though Bitcoin's demand seems to be at an all-time high, it's still nowhere near its previous peak. According to Google Trends, Bitcoin's search interest has increased, but we're only at about half of where we were a year ago. Around this time last year, Bitcoin was trading at around $32,000, but it was in Q1 that we saw the real momentum pick up. Currently, we're in an accumulation phase where buyers are actively purchasing Bitcoin, aiming to build significant positions before the next price surge. If you're looking to make substantial profits during this bull run, simply buying Bitcoin may not be enough. If you were to purchase Bitcoin now with the goal of doubling your investment, you'd need Bitcoin to reach over $180,000. Considering Bitcoin's current market cap exceeds $1.83 trillion, that would require an additional $1.8 trillion to achieve that price. Now, if you're using leverage or trading Bitcoin differently, that's a different story. However, for the everyday investor, focusing solely on Bitcoin might not yield the returns you're hoping for. To maximize your potential gains, you should consider exploring altcoins. Altcoins typically have smaller market caps, meaning it doesn't take much investment for them to surge significantly. If you're aiming for those extra 50% to 100% gains, look into altcoins instead of sticking solely with Bitcoin. However, I must emphasize that the crypto market is incredibly risky. The volatility is off the charts, and many projects may end up losing value. In fact, it's estimated that 90% of crypto projects possess no inherent value. When the cycle concludes, many of these projects will likely plummet to zero. Before we move on, please keep this in mind. Investing in crypto can be extremely risky, and if you aren't prepared to lose your entire investment, it might be better to stay away from these markets. If you're someone who can't handle risk, consider safer investment avenues. Now, as we venture further into this bull market, I urge you to stay informed, remain cautious, and keep your eyes peeled for opportunities. I'm excited to guide you through this journey, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for all of us in the crypto space. Thank you for joining me today. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to us, and together, we can navigate this thrilling world of cryptocurrency hand in hand. Until next time, stay savvy and keep investing smartly.